Welcome. 6th Standard Science, Chapter 5 Materials Around Us. Question Answer. Curiosity, Part 1. Curiosity is textbook name as per 2025-2026 Karnataka State Board Syllabus. 1 marks question. Question number 1. What do we call the substance used to make an object? Answer. The substance used to make an object is called a material. Question number 2. Name two examples of lustrous materials. Answer. Iron and copper are examples of lustrous material. Question number 3. Which type of material is butter paper and transparent, translucent, or opaque? Butter paper is translucent. Question number 4. Give one example of a soluble material in water. Answer. Salt is soluble in water. Question number 5. What are the two common properties shown by all kinds of matter? Answer. All matter has mass and volume. Question number 2 mark questions. Question number 1. Why can't a tumbler made of cloth be used for storing water? Answer. A cloth tumbler cannot hold water because cloth is a porous and absorbent material. So water will seep through it. Question number 2. Differentiate between the transparent and opaque materials with one example each. Answer. Transparent materials allow light to pass through and the objects can be seen clearly. Example glass. Opaque materials do not allow light to pass through. Example wood. Question number 3. Why are cricket balls and tennis balls made of different materials? Answer. Different sports require balls with different hardness, bounce, and weight. Hence, the materials are chosen depending on the purpose of the game. Question number 4. Give one difference between hard and soft materials with examples. Answer. Hard materials are difficult to compress or scratch. Example stone, while the soft materials can be easily compressed or scratched. Example rubber. Question number 5. Why is water called a universal solvent? Answer. Water is called a universal solvent because it can dissolve a large number of substances like salt, sugar, and some gases. Long answer questions. Question number 1. 3 marks. Explain the difference between transparent, translucent, and opaque materials with two examples each. Answer. Transparent materials allow light to pass through and objects can be seen clearly. Examples clean glass, water. Translucent materials allow light to pass through partially. Objects are not seen clearly. Examples butter paper, frosted glass. Opaque materials do not allow light to pass through at all. Example wood and cardboard. Question number 2. 3 marks. Why do we classify materials? Give two examples from daily life. Answer. We classify materials to organize and study them according to their properties and to choose the right material for the right purpose. Example 1. In the kitchen, utensils are grouped together, spices in one place, grains in another. Example 2. In a chemist shop, medicines are arranged in groups for easy identification. Question number 3, 4 marks. List and explain any four properties of materials with suitable examples. Answer 1. Luster metals like gold and copper shine, so they are lustrous. 2. Hardness or softness. Stone is hard, rubber is soft. 3. Transparency. Glass is transparent, wood is opaque. 4. Solubility. Salt dissolves in water, soluble. Sand does not dissolve in water, insoluble. Question number 4. Why is it important to choose proper materials for making objects? Explain with three examples. Answer. We choose materials based on their properties and the purpose of the object. Tumbler is made of glass, plastic, or metal because these can hold water, cloth cannot. A cooking utensil is made of metals like aluminium or steel as they conduct heat. Paper cannot be used. Pillow is made of soft materials like cotton or sponge for comfort. Stone cannot be used. Question number 5, 5 marks. Define matter. Explain its two properties with examples. Answer. Anything that occupies space and has a mass is called matter. Mass, the quantity of matter in an object. For example, a brick has more mass than a cotton ball. Volume, the space occupied by matter. For example, water in 1 liter bottle has a volume of 1 liter. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. Any substance that is used to create an object is called a matter. Sorry, material. Question number 2. Materials that allow light to pass through them clearly are called dash, transparent. Question number 3. Materials which can be easily compressed or scratched are called soft. Question number 4. Substances that completely disappear in water are called dash in water, soluble in water. Question number 5. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Multiple choice questions. Let's play this game. Question number 1. Which of the following is a lustrous material? A. Paper. B. Wood. C. Copper. D. Rubber. Can you guess which is the lustrous material out of 4? Answer is C. Copper. Question number 2. Which material is translucent? Option A. Glass tumbler. Option B. Butter paper. Option C. Wooden board. Option D. Steel plate. Can you guess? Answer is B. Butter paper. Question number 3. Salt disappears completely in water because it is dash. A. Insoluble. B. Soluble. C. Opaque. D. Transparent. Can you guess the answer? Answer is B. Soluble. Question number 4. Which of the following objects is made of hard material? A. Pillow. B. Sweater. C. Brick. D. Rubber band. What is the answer? Answer is brick. Option C is the answer. Question number 5. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called option A. Force. Option B. Energy. Option C. Matter. Option D. Volume. What is the answer? Guess. Answer is C. Matter. True or false? Question number 1. All metals are lustrous. False. Some metals lost their shine due to air and moisture. Question number 2. Wood is an opaque material. True. Question number 3. Salt and sugar are insoluble in water. False. They are soluble in water. Question number 4. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. True. Question number 5. A tumbler made of cloth can easily hold water. False. Cloth absorbs water, so it cannot hold it. Match the following objects and their properties, materials and their uses. Glass, transparent material, salt, soluble in water, wood, opaque material, cotton, soft material, copper, lustrous metal. Let us enhance our learning. These questions are from textbook. Question number 1. Visit your kitchen and observe how your parents have organized various edibles. Can you suggest a better sorting method? Write it in your notebook. 1. Observation in the kitchen. I observed that various edibles in kitchen are kept in jars, tins and boxes. Items like spices, pulses, cereals, oil and snacks are sorted in different places. 2. Suggested better sorting method. I would suggest arranging the items in groups based on their type and use. Cereals and grain, rice, wheat, jowar, bajra. Pulses and lentil, moong dal, tur dal, chana dal, masoor dal. Spices and condiments, turmeric chili powder, salt, cumin, coriander. Oils and fats, cooking oil, ghee, butter. Snacks and ready to eat items. biscuits, chips, dry fruits, vegetables and fruits, kept separately in baskets or refrigerator. Question number 2. Unscramble the letters in column 1 and match with their properties in the column 2. Column 1, TREMAT. The unscrambled, this is a matter. Second is ULSBELO, soluble. Second one. Third one is TNERPASNART, transparent. Fourth is ERUSTL, luster. So match these with column 1, unscrambled, with the column 2. The matched one is here in the second slide. Column 2 matches. First one is a matter. Option B is the answer for that. Occupies space and has mass. Second is soluble, mixes completely in water. Option D. Third one, transparent. Option A. Objects can be seen clearly through it. Fourth one, luster, shiny surface. Option C. Third one, the containers which are used to store materials in shops and at home are usually transparent. Give either reasons for this. The containers used in shops and at home are usually transparent because 1. We can easily see what is inside without opening them. Second, it helps in identifying the material quickly. For example, sugar, rice, pulses, spices. Third, it saves time and effort as there is no need to check each container separately. Fourth, transparent containers make the storage neat and organized. State whether the statements given below are true or false. Correct the false statements. 1. Wood is translucent while glass is opaque. False. Correction is wood is opaque while the glass is transparent. Second one. Aluminium foil has luster while an eraser does not. True. Third. Sugar dissolves in water whereas sawdust does not. True. Fourth. An apple is a matter because it occupies no space and has a mass. False. Correction. An apple is a matter because it occupies space and has mass. Fifth one. We see the chairs made up of various materials such as wood, iron, plastic, bamboo, cement, and stones. Following are some desirable properties of materials which can be used to make chairs. Which materials used to make chairs fulfill these properties the most? 1. Hardness does not blend or shake on sitting even after long use. Second, lightweight, easy to lift or to take from one place to another. Third, does not feel very cold when sitting during winters. Fourth, can be cleaned regularly or made to look new even after long use. Materials used for chairs and properties. Hardness. Materials that fulfill it best is wood, iron, cement, stone. These are strong and durable and do not blend or shake easily. Second one is lightweight. If you want lightweight, these materials you should use, that is plastic or bamboo, to make a chair. Easy to lift and shift from one place to another. Third one is does not feel very cold in winters. So, for that purpose, wood, bamboo, plastic are useful. These materials remain comfortable to sit on compared to iron, cement, or stone. Fourth one can be cleaned and look anew. For that purpose, plastic, iron, wood, all these are preferred. They can be wiped, polished, or painted to look fresh even after long use. Sixth, you need to have containers for collection of. One is food waste, second broken glass, and third is the waste paper. Which materials will you choose for container of these types of waste? What properties of materials do you need to think of? Answer. One is the food waste. Container made of plastic or stainless steel. Properties should be non-absorbent, easy to clean, does not react with food or durable. Second is broken glass. Container made of thick plastic or metal. Properties should be hard, strong, unbreakable, and safe to handle sharp pieces. Third main, waste paper. Container made of plastic, cardboard, or bamboo basket. Properties should be lightweight, easy to carry, and inexpensive. 7. Air is all around us but does not hinder us from seeing each other. Whereas if a wooden door comes in between, we cannot see each other. It is because air is dash and the wooden door is dash. Choose the most appropriate option. First option is transparent and opaque. Second is translucent or transparent. Third is opaque translucent. Fourth is transparent translucent. Option 1 is the correct because air is transparent and wooden door is opaque. Because air is transparent allows the light to pass through clearly and the wooden door is opaque, does not allow light to pass. Question number 8. Imagine if you have two mysterious materials X and Y. When you try to press materials X, it feels rigid and does not change its shape easily. On other hand, material Y easily changes its shape when you press it. Now, when you mix both materials in water, only material X dissolves completely, while material Y remains unchanged. What can materials X and Y be? Can you identify whether material X is hard or soft? What about the material Y? Justify your answer. Answer material X, it is a hard and soluble in water. For example, salt or sugar. Both are hard solids and dissolve completely in water. Material Y, it is soft and insoluble in water. For example, clay, rubber, or sawdust. They are soft and do not dissolve in water. Question number 9. 1. Who am I? Identify me on the basis of the given properties. A. I have luster. B. I can be easily compressed. C. I am hard and soluble in water. D. You cannot see clearly through me. E. I have mass and volume, but you cannot see me. Second main, make your own who am I. First one, who am I? Identify me on the basis of properties. A. I have luster, metal, copper, aluminum, or gold, for example. B. I can be easily compressed, air. C. I'm hard and soluble in water, that is salt. D. You cannot see clearly through me. Translucent material, for example, butter paper, frosted glass. E. I have mass and volume, but you cannot see me. That is air, matter in gaseous state. Second one, my own, who am I? 1. I am soft. 2. I can be stretched. 3. I do not dissolve in water. 4. I am used to make erasers and tires. Who am I? Rubber. 10. You are provided with the following materials: vinegar, honey, mustard oil, water, glucose, and wheat flour. Make any two pairs of materials where one material is soluble in other. Now make two pairs of materials where one material remains insoluble in the other material. Two pairs of soluble materials. 1. Glucose plus water. Glucose dissolves in water. 2. Honey plus water. Honey dissolves in water. Two pairs of insoluble materials. 1. Mustard oil plus water. Oil does not mix with water. 2. Wheat flour plus water. Flour does not dissolve, it only forms a paste. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.